7 Ways to Lose Weight Faster. Link in the description for best weight loss tips. Overweight is a major cause of concern now. Many university studies pointed out some tips to intake calorie as required per norms. There is no thumb rule for weight loss because each person has different metabolic rate. It depends on lifestyle of each a person. However, some common practices can reduce your weight to normal level. Here are the key points for your urgent attention. 1. Part your meal in 3 or more feed in a full day cycle. Some people start crash diet, but dilatation suggests to eat meal 4 times per day. Ensure that your metabolic rate matches with your calorie intake. 2. Change your eating habit. Chew food for a longer time. Ensure food will enter into your stomach, which can help you to increase your digesting system. 3. Drink plenty of water. Like food, water is essential for our body. Normally, 2 to 2.5 liters of water per day are advisable. It will not only improve your skin color but also help you to improve diet systems. Our body needs water to keep up blood volume and keep our body cells healthy by providing oxygen and nutrients. It also controls our body temperature. Eat fiber foods. Eat food which has more fiber. Banana, orange, apples are the most suitable fruits to keep you healthy. You need eating more food like fruits and vegetable, whole grain bread, brown rice and beans, etc. 4. Follow the WHO guide of a complete food, which includes all types of vitamins, necessary minerals, fat and protein. Food is more essential, but normally all the people not follow a complete food menu. So, it is essential to have a mix of food only. 5. Eat fruits, which contain high fibers. 6. Drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Yes, it is more essential for every human being to drink water as per minimum requirement for the body. 7. Exercise regularly for 10 to 20 minutes as suggested by your physician or dietitian. Quick weight loss is appealing to people at large. Avoid skimmed milk, butter and ghee, which are high-rich in fat. Furthermore, check your BMI index to stay fit. We get inspired by reading famous quotes from leading dietitian and nutritionist. Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a poor. To say that obesity is caused by merely consuming too much calorie are like saying the only cause of the American Revolution was the Boston Tea Party. Link in the description for best weight loss tips.